Good morning, my Kati. Good morning, guys. My Kati, I'm here in the Zhenghua Nature Park, and I'm going down, my Kati. See, you heard all the birds. Let's walk with me. Let's go. See the birdie over there. Birdie, where are you? That canal is going to Bukit Panjang, going to Chuchukang, and going to Marina. Before, guys, this one here, the tank here, don't have the gates. Now it's closed already. So go with me. Let's go. Let's walk under the bridge. Hump, hump. Watch out for cyclists. Let me post first, guys, because it takes longer time. Okay, just follow the pathway. And everywhere, guys, there is CCTV here. CCTV in operation. So tired already. I haven't gone halfway. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. Let's go. Let me post first again. It will take longer time. Wow, is that monkey? A squirrel? Oh yeah, it's a squirrel. Step slope. Give way to pedestrian. Okay, let's go down. It's Tuesday, and Tuesday hike. Then we don't need so much. There's a children's playground, guys. Mikati, I'm here, still here. Oh, okay, let's go this side. So you're alone there, Roster? Where's the wife, huh? Rasta. This is the big one. Okay, so I'm out of Zhenghua Nature Park. This is the connector going to Bukit Panjang Canal. Let's go. So guys, walk with me, my Kati. I'm going this way, going to the canal, and then follow the canal going to Bukit Panjang, the CC. There, the park. So okay, my Kati, you see the canal here? We're going to follow that until the Bukit Panjang, the CC there, the park. The other side. Let's go. So okay, my Kati, I already here. The other canal, the other side. I just crossed the traffic light over there. So let's go. Okay, my Kati. Okay, guys, we're going to cross again another road here. We will not go in the traffic light, but instead just jaywalk over. Oh my gosh, just cross here. Okay, I'm here again. This pathway, my God, and the canal here. It will go straight to the Bukit Panjang Park. White bird here. It's nice, the yellow flowers over there, my Kati. It's a long walk, my Kati. But it's all like 5 minutes more going to the park. Let's pause first. Okay, my Kati, I'm here now. So this is the connector. That is the park, and I just crossed the traffic light from here. And we're going down, my Koti, but the girls is not there already because it's almost 8:30. So just go to the park and then go home. I post first, my Kati. My love, my Kati. My love. This group here doing exercise. See? Okay, it's 8 minutes now. The video is 8 minutes, but I walk like almost 10 minutes from Zhenghua Park. So this is now the CC, my Kati. You know this place already, right? Every time we come here, every morning exercise. So the girl is not around anymore in the park. They went home. So we're going to walk there until we'll go home. And it's hot now. So they are cleaning. See the boat over there? They are cleaning. It's so hot right now, my Kati. See the sunrise. Okay, my love, my God, I will close now the video. This at the under here, the canal is until going to Chuchukang, until reach Marina Bay, until there the ocean, reach the ocean there, the sea. So hot. Okay, bye guys, bye my love. I will close the video now. It's 10 minutes.